In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display row labels for each row in a crosstab view using a combined field in Tableau. This is a practical guide that will help you enhance the clarity of your data presentations by ensuring each row in your crosstab view is clearly labeled, which can be particularly useful when dealing with hierarchical data. Let's get started. First, you'll want to launch the Tableau application. Make sure it's installed and updated on your system. Once you're in, navigate to and access your worksheet. This is where you'll be implementing the changes to enhance your data visualization. Now, we have two methods to achieve the same result, and I'll walk you through both options. Let's start with the first one. Begin by dragging the sales field into the label shelf. This step designates the data metric you'd like to analyze and display. Next, to organize your data by the desired categories, drag the category field to the rows shelf, followed by the subcategory field. Doing this allows you to create a hierarchical structure for your data rows, providing a clear insight into distinct data segments. Now, to prepare for creating a combined field, hold the Ctrl key and select both the category and subcategory fields. This multi-selection setup is crucial because it enables you to combine the fields shortly. Right-click on the selection, navigate to Create, and from the submenu, choose Combined Field. This action merges the two fields into one, providing a unified label for your data groups. Your newly created combined field needs to be dragged onto the row shelf, specifically positioning it in front of your existing category field. This arrangement is vital as it replaces the preceding labels with your newly combined labels, ensuring that all hierarchical levels are displayed. Don't forget to adjust your settings so that your combined field is visible. Click on the drop-down menu of this combined field and make sure Show Header is selected. This step ensures that your changes are visible and reflected in your worksheet. Now let's explore the second method. Similar to the first option, drag sales into the label shelf. Proceed by placing category and then subcategory into the rows shelf. After that, instead of a combined field, this time click the drop-down menu and select Create Calculated Field. Name this field Concatenated Field. You'll need to input your query for the calculated field and then hit OK. An appropriate query here will define how your new field concatenates or combines your chosen elements. After this, take the newly created calculated field and place it in the rows shelf just before the other fields. Finally, ensure to show the header for this field by checking the drop-down menu and selecting Show Header. This gives a comprehensive label view, enhancing data readability and structure. That's how you efficiently create row labels in Tableau through combined or calculated fields. With these techniques, your data visualization will not only be accurate but also more user-friendly for your audience.